All right, so here's a look at this back massager. Now this thing is great, especially if you're working in an office all day and you're sitting at a chair, or maybe even just working from home, sitting in a chair all day. This is gonna be great because it's got a couple of different modes. You can have it spot massage, so meaning it'll stay in one spot, or you can have it kind of rotate up and down. It's gonna go all the way from the base of your back, all the way up to the midpoint of your back, and you'll see that it kind of moves up and down just like that. Now it's also going to have a selection on here as well. So if you want it to rotate in the opposite direction, so you can see right now it's going this way. And now if I click it, it'll return to go the opposite direction. And this helps because sometimes if it's rotating one way, you're not going to actually hit the part of your back that you want it to. So rotating it around will kind of help with that. Now it's also going to be heated as well, so you can click that button to turn the heat on, and you can kind of see that it turned red inside of there. If I click it again, it'll go to the even hotter mode. Plus you can turn the intensity up and down. So if you wanted to rotate faster, you can do that on here as well. I like even just turning this on and heating my back up in the morning, which really helps, especially if I've been laying down, sleeping all night. My back is a little bit tight. So turning that heater on is really going to help. Plus it's got this little pad down here at the bottom. So these massage nodes, they're made out of like a hard plastic. So they could hurt your lower back, but having this pad here on the back is nice because it kind of protects your back from those nodes. Another benefit of this that I didn't really realize until I started using it every day is it actually is going to help you fix your posture, because this bottom part is going to kind of stick out and push your middle back or your lower back out, and then you'll have better posture while sitting. So I feel like my back has not only improved from the massage, but it also improved from kind of just fixing my posture every day. Then over here on the back, you can see this is where the strap is, and look how wide this chair is. I mean, this is an abnormally wide chair. This is not your traditional like office chair. So I'm glad that they gave us a strap that is long enough to actually fit something that is this wide. So if you got something like an executive office chair or just a really wide back chair, then this is going to work for it. It also has this little pocket over here on the side for you to put the remote. And I like that they made this a wired remote, not a wireless remote, because I guarantee you I would lose this in the first couple of days if it was not connected to the actual massager. So if you're looking for a really good back massager, something that has a bunch of features and honestly just feels super good, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.